Alright everybody, this is table 2 for the series in parallel lab. Alright, so the colors of the wires, I alternated them just to make it a little bit easier for you to see what's going on, but the colors of the wires doesn't make any difference. It's just insulation. It's the conductor on the inside. But anyway, so here's the power supply coming out here. So this first resistor is 250 ohms. We'll call that R1. Second resistor over here, that's 500 ohms, we'll call that R2. Third resistor over here, that's 1K or 1000 ohms, we'll call that R3. Okay, and this one just has the 3 resistors. Okay, so let me get set up here and we'll do some voltage measurements. Alright, so we're going to do voltage readings starting with the total voltage for table 2. You can see here again, I've got the leads of my voltmeter connected across the power supply. I'm using those little pieces of blue tape to hopefully help let you keep track of which wires are going there. So I am on the 30 volt scale. So I'm on the highest scale here, so go ahead and take your measurement for the total voltage for table 2. Okay, so we're going to do the voltage drop across R1 for table number 2. Alright, so I have switched down to the lowest scale, the 1.5 volt scale on my voltmeter. Alright, so using that lowest scale, go ahead and take your measurement now for the voltage across R1. Okay, so now we're going to do R2 for table 2. R2 is that 500 ohm. I did need to change the scale on the voltmeter up to the 3 volt scale, so I'm on that middle scale. Focus. Okay, so go ahead and take your measurement for the voltage drop across R2. Alright, and now we're going to do the voltage drop across R3 for table 2. Once again, R3 is the 1K or 1000 ohm resistor. For my voltmeter here, I did need to go up to the 30 volt scale, so I'm now on the highest scale. Alright, so go ahead and take your reading for R3 now. Alright, so now we're going to go through current readings for table number 2. This will be for the total current for the entire circuit. You can see I've got the ammeter connected straight into the power supply, so the total current flowing into the circuit goes through the ammeter. I am on the 10 milliamp scale. Okay, so let me just steady the camera. Okay, so go ahead and take your reading here for the total current for table 2. Alright, this is going to be for the current flowing through R number 1 for table 2. So R1 is the 250 ohm resistor. Again, I'm in that 10 milliamp setting, so go ahead and take your reading for the current flowing through R1. Alright, now we're going to do the current flowing through R2 for table 2. R2 is the 500 ohm resistor. I am still on the 10 milliamp scale, so go ahead and take your reading for R2. Okay, and finally we're going to do the current flowing through R3 for table 2. R3 is that 1K or 1000 ohm resistor, and I am still on the 10 milliamp scale, so go ahead and take your current reading for R3. Alright, and here's a quick last look at table 2. So starting at the positive terminal of the battery, we've got a 250 ohm resistor followed by a 500 ohm resistor followed by a 1000 ohm resistor. And that is table 2.